Hello everyone. So for the idli fry, what I will need is idli. These idlis I have bought from the local kaka who comes from the nearby place selling idlis every morning. They are soft and delicious. So I have taken them and I cut them into four pieces. And apart from that, I need chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, chopped capsicum, and chopped onion. Now in a pan I have taken around 2 tablespoon of mustard oil and I let it heat up a bit. After it heats up, I will add the chopped garlic followed by the chopped onions and the green chilies, and I'll give it a quick mix. A fry for half a minute, and that will be all. This recipe is very simple, and it takes those ingredients which are always readily available at hand. Here I didn't have the curry leaves. If you have, please add them. I didn't have, so I omitted it. Now I am adding the chopped capsicum, and we will fry it for 1 minute till the capsicum gets a little soft. Not much, just a little bit will do. And then we will proceed to the last step. After 1 minute, you can see the capsicum has got fried, and now we will add the other few ingredients, of which the first one is soy sauce. We will add it around 2 tablespoons of it. Just a reminder, guys, that soy sauce contains salt, so when we will add the salt in it, so it will not be in a larger quantity, it will be a small quantity of salt that we will be adding soon. After this, we will add the chopped idlis, and then we will add around 1 teaspoon of salt as per your taste, and we will mix it well. After that, we will add one ingredient, which is around half tablespoon of sugar to balance out everything. If you want, you can omit it, but I like it to be in a balanced kind of state, so I added around half tablespoon of sugar to it. Also, I am adding chili sauce. It is around 2 tablespoon of chili salt, and we will mix everything very well. After mixing everything very well, we will cover and keep the cap in medium to low flame, preferably a lowest flame, and we will keep it in sim for 2 minutes. And after that, it's ready for plating. We're back after 2 minutes, and now it's time to serve the delicious idli fry or chili idli, as you can call it. It tastes yum and it's good for breakfast with less oil and very less ingredients. You must try it out at home and you let me know how it turns out. Yeah, I have plated out the chili idli. It tastes super delicious and yum. You can try it and please let me know how it turned out. And for any other recipe suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.